Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. In this video, I will be showing you how to remove, insert or replace your SIM card in your Motorola Droid Ultra, Max, Mini or Turbo. So the steps are going to be the exact same on all the devices. So the SIM card is located right under your volume buttons, right over here. Same with the Mini, also located under the volume buttons. How you remove it, you stick your fingernail right in here and pull it out. And to reinsert it, make sure it's aligned and you push it in. And same with this one. Stick your fingernail in here, remove it, and make sure that your SIM card is facing towards the back of the device. The back of the SIM card is facing towards the back of the device. And when you insert it, make sure you align it. And how it's easier to insert would be to hold it as you're inserting it, just to make sure that the SIM card is in there and it did not go out of place. So hold it until you get it in there nice and snug, and then push it in. Double check that your buttons work. That's how you know that the SIM card is in there correctly. That's it, guys.